Hey everyone, how's it going? Now, one of the things that my grandparents would always put out every Christmas would be nutcrackers. And they're just a really important part of my Christmas holidays and memories growing up. So today I want to show you guys how to draw your very own nutcracker. So to start off with this, we're going to begin with the head. Now, starting, you want to find the middle of your paper and then just kind of move up a little bit. And I'm just going to draw two parentheses. So I'm going to draw a little curved line here, leave a little bit of space, and then draw another curved line right here. You want to keep them about the same size. Then you just want to connect both ends with a straight line on the bottom, and then do the same thing on the top. And that's going to form the head. Now, right above here, I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to make a little line that's just going to curve over to here. So I'm just going to make a little line that's just going to curve up and then come back down, just to form like the top of the hat. Now, starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go up, and then it's just going to kind of curve around, and then come back down to form the shape of the hat. Now, lots of nutcrackers wear a crown, so starting here, I'm just going to draw a couple little lines that just kind of curve up and down, and then do one more right here. Then at the very top of the hat, I'm going to put a little small circle. And inside of this crown, I'm going to put two little half circles on each side, and then a couple smaller circles on the inside. Now, starting right here at the bottom of the face, I'm going to draw a line that's going to kind of curve out, and then it's going to come in a little bit. And then I want to repeat that same thing on this side, kind of curve out, and then go in a little bit. Then you just want to draw a straight line across. Now, starting right here, I'm going to make two lines that just go down, and then a line across, and that's going to form the belt. And then inside the belt, I'm going to draw two little lines for the buckle. And then I'm just going to color in a little rectangle shape like this. Now, right here at the edge of the belt, you want to make a little diagonal line, and then another one right here, and this is going to be the bottom part of the coat. And then you just want to draw a line that goes straight across to connect it. Now, starting right down here, I'm going to draw one long line here, and then one long line right here for one leg. And then I'm going to do the same thing here, another long line down, and then one more right here. Now, starting here, you want to make a line that's just going to curve down. It's going to go over and then connect back up here for the foot. And then same thing here, just draw a line that goes down. It's going to go over and then come straight up here. And then I'm going to make a little line that curves down on each side just to show where the boots are. Now, we want to move back up here and we want to make the arms. So to draw the arms, I'm just going to start right here and I'm going to draw a line that goes out. And then it's going to curve down and then come back. And then I want to do the same thing here. Just go out, kind of curve around, and then come back for some little shoulder pads. Then, starting right here, you just want to make a line that's going to go down. And then it's going to go over, and then just go straight up towards the body. And then you want to repeat the same thing here. Just go down, make sure you go about the same way. Go over, and then straight up. And at the ends, you just want to make a little circle shape for the hands. Now, right above here, I'm just going to draw a straight line across on each side, just to make some little cufflinks. And then I'm going to put another one right above. Now let's work on some of the details. So, right on the sides of here, you want to add some hair. Now, they can have lots of different hair, and I'm just going to make this hair kind of pointy. So I'm going to draw a line that goes out, and then it's going to come back in, and then go out, come in, and then just go straight down here. And then same thing on this side, just go out, in, and then right down to here. Now for the face. So starting right here, you want to put the eyes. So I'm just going to draw a straight line, and then I'm going to put a big sad face above it like this. Then I'm going to do the same thing over here, just draw a straight line across, and then put a big sad face like that. Then in the inside, I'm just going to draw a circle, and I'm going to color in most of the circle. And then you just want to repeat that on this side, draw a circle, and then just color in most of it. Now, right between the eyes, you can make a little rectangle shape for the nose. And then right here, most of them have like a mustache. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's going to curve up and then out like this. And then I'm just going to bring it right back to here. Then you just want to repeat the same thing on this side, kind of curve down and up, and then bring it back. Then you want to make that famous mouth. So it's very easy. I'm just going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line down here, and then a line down here. And then just draw a straight line across. And then just make a couple lines going down, and that will form the teeth of your Nutcracker. Now, I also want to give him a beard. So starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that goes down, and then up, and then down like this. And then you want to repeat that same step here. Go down, up, and then down like this for the beard. Now, once you're done with the beard, you can add some details, and there's so many different ways to do this. So just some simple things I like to do are draw two lines going down here to form the coat. And then I might start here and draw two more lines going down. Then you can add some little circles on each side for buttons. Some of them might have like little chains hanging across. So you put some little curved lines like this. I like to add some little bumpy lines up here just to kind of add some details to the shoulder pads. I'm going to continue the pattern of the coat right down here with two lines. And then you can just add some extra little lines on here, such as on the boots, at the top there, at the bottoms here. You can add some little half circles. There's lots of different things you can do to this. Now, one of the last things I want to do is I want to put him on a little platform. So just to make it real easy, I'm just going to draw a line that goes straight across on the feet. And I'm going to go out a little bit and then down. Do that to both sides. And then I'm just going to connect it with a straight line across. And then also, if you want to, if you have room, you can draw some lines above here for some eyebrows. And they usually have pretty big eyebrows, so you can make them a little bit bigger. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Nutcracker. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.